10 best things to do in Kauai. Number 10, Waimea Canyon State Park. Also known as the Grand Canyon of the Pacific, Waimea Canyon is 10 miles long and 3,000 feet deep. Most of the islands in Hawaii have a place called Waimea since it means reddish water, as minerals dissolve into abundant rainwater. Kauai is the oldest of the main Hawaiian islands. Lava was flowing here 5 million years ago. So much history gives Kauai and its central feature, Waimea Canyon, a personality, a topography, and visual variety that is unique in all the world. Snorkel Niihau. 17.5 miles southwest of Kauai, across the Kaulaka'i Channel, is Niihau, known locally as the Forbidden Island. Since it is a privately owned island, access is only by invitation. The owners of the island, the Robinson family of less than 200, purchased the island from the Kingdom of Hawaii in 1864 for $10,000. A dry and relatively barren island at the time, 100 years ago, Aubrey Robinson began planting trees, 10,000 trees per year to be exact, and all those trees ultimately brought rain. Niihau is home to countless endangered and critically endangered animals and enjoys excellent conditions for diving. Number 8, Poipu Beach Park. Voted by Dr. Beach as the best beach in America in 2001, Poipu Beach is on the dry and southernmost tip of Kauai. As popular with locals as it is with visitors, you can swim, fish, snorkel, surf, or bodyboard to your heart's delight. The waters here are crystal clear and home to everything from endangered Hawaiian monk seals to humpback whales who return home from mid-December to late March. Number 7, Princeville Botanical Gardens. Hidden in the jungle at the northernmost valley in Kauai rests the Princeville Botanical Gardens, home to everything from native to canoe plants or plants brought historically by canoe from destinations throughout the Pacific, rare and endangered flowers, and potent medicinals. Princeville Botanical Gardens makes and shares their own organic chocolate. The main reason it's a must-see for those vacationing in Kauai. Number 6, Spouting Horn Blowhole. Sitting at the southern tip of Kauai, Spouting Horn Blowhole comes from the crashing waves that blast through openings in the lava rock to shoot 50 feet high. This area, Poipu, is famous for impressive waves. Poipu, in fact, means crashing in Hawaiian. The interesting sound the waterspout makes is attributed to a giant lizard, or mo'o, who protected the area and chased a presumed intruder, a boy named Liko, into the sea, and just about had him as he slipped through the rocks. but then he got stuck, and now calls out with every wave that blasts through. Number 5. Queen's Bath. Once a bathing spot for ancestral royalty, Queen's Bath is an absolutely gorgeous oasis on the other side of a 15-minute hike. The hike, however, isn't as easy as your average walk in the park, so come prepared with a good pair of shoes. Also, like many water features throughout Hawaii, be prepared for abrupt, rough seas and dangerous currents. Things can change quickly at Queen's Bath. But when the conditions are right, Queen's Bath is as pretty as anything in the state of Hawaii. Number 4. Wailua Falls. Famous for being featured in the opening sequence of the TV show Fantasy Island, and notable historically as the place where men dove from the very top of the waterfall into the water below to prove their manhood. Wailua Falls is a popular place to swim and take amazing photographs and videos. Number 3. Hanalei Beach. Annually awarded as one of the top beaches in the world, and certainly one of the most photographed beaches in the world, Hanalei Beach has it all. Green draped mountains overlooking a clear blue ocean, expansive white sand beach, and the Hanalei River flowing into the ocean. A top surf spot, but just as incredible for kayaking, paddling, bodyboarding, or just splashing in the refreshing water. Number 2. Lumakai. Featured in the 1958 film South Pacific, Lumakai is a picturesque beach and popular cliff diving spot, of which there are many in Kauai. The sand is rich in olivine, giving it a yellow-green hue. With dramatic vertical cliffs as a backdrop and endless hiking and river trails from many directions, Lumakai is a singular experience, despite having some of the most dangerous swimming waters in Hawaii. Number 1. Kalalau Trail. Along the legendary Nepali coast is the Kalalau Trail. 22 miles long, it's at least a 2-day adventure for all but the finest athletes. Known worldwide for its dangerous beauty, the Huffington Post calls Kalalau Trail the most incredible and epic trail in the United States. I'm going to let you enjoy the last minute or two picturing yourself here on the island of Kauai. Mahalo, friend.